Assalamualaikum. This is our Safar Pocket application. Firstly, a niyat. The secondly is ihram. And thirdly is tawaf. And the fourth is sa'i. And the last one, al-halq and taqsir. Next, we press the dua and reflection button. Okay, the firstly is dua before ihram. The secondly, talbiyah. The thirdly is dua at the Kaabah. Fourthly is dua between Safar and Marwa. And dua at the Zamzam. And dua after tawaf. This is the selection of dua. After that, we go to the top menu button and select knowledge. Islamic knowledge. Firstly, ihram, tawaf, sa'i, halq, and standing at Arafah. This prohibition apply when in the state of ihram and must be observed to maintain the sanctity of pilgrimage. Firstly is switch clothing for men, cover head for men, perfume, shaving, hair removal, nails, marriage, intimate relations, and hunting. Last button is Umrah in Ramadan, acceptance deeds, forgiveness of sins, spiritual elevation, unity of Muslim, and divine mercy. After that, we press the logo near the top left, and which is the letter sin, which means is go to the homepage.
Next, let's check out our Hajj guide. Here we have complete Hajj steps. The first one being ihram and intention. The second one, arrival in Mecca. The third one, stay in Arafat. The fourth one, Muzdalifah and Mina. The fifth one, Tawaf and Sa'i. And the last one, Tawaf Wada and farewell. You can also track your progress of your Umrah and Hajj. First, we have checklist of Umrah. You can also add new item if you want to. Next, we have Hajj checklist.
And then we also have sacred sites and timelines. Sacred location is Kaabah, Mount Arafat, Safa and Marwa, Muzdalifah. After that, pilgrimage timeline. We can know what we will do before the pilgrimage, when we upon arrival, what we will do days of Hajj, and what we will do after the pilgrimage. And that's all for sacred sites and timelines.